Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a DIY hair mask for dry hair. My hair sometimes gets dried out if I don't put enough oil in it, so this is just a hair mask that I will be trying today, reviewing. Much things you have at home, it's 1 ripe avocado and 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you just mix it together, smash together, and then we're going to be applying it in my hair today. Brush it first, make sure there's no tangles. And then we're going to section my hair. We're going to section it off. I know that looks a little weird, but okay. My little mixture here. I'm just gonna zoom you in. Now I'll just start applying it. I'll just take my hands in it. I'm just going to turn it together, put a hair tie on it. I'm just going to take a grocery bag. Just going to put around my hair. Just let it sit for 30 minutes. And then we're going to wash it out and then blow dry it straight. So I'm back. I'm out of the shower. I blow dried. And I only shampooed my hair when I was in the shower. And this is the final results. It feels hydrated. I don't think you can see it in this lighting, but there's a little bit of sheer shine. My hair, it's not oily. My hair is not oily. It looks good. Feels good. I think I'm going to continue doing this process maybe every other week or so. I really liked how it turned out. My hair feels very, very hydrated. Feels very nice. And I did get all the avocado out. It was a little tricky at first when you just see it like fall to the ground and go down the drain. And you got to make sure like you scrub your head very well when you shampoo it. Because I got every piece but one. Little gross, but it, like, as I got out the shower, like, I could see it and I just pulled it right out. And no, none other besides that, but I think it looks fine. It feels good. Definitely suggest doing this. It's easy, it's quick. I mean, you don't need to go to the store and buy a whole bunch of expensive hair products to help your hair feel hydrated again. All you need is, an avocado and some olive oil. You're good to go. Alright, well, this is it for today's DIY hair mask. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.